Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about those things that a married woman should do, must do, ought to do to make her husband love her all the time, love her more, want her more, socially, sexually, emotionally, psychologically, all the time. Are you new to my channel? Please hit the subscribe button and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is ayam_Nora, Twitter is at Nora Charimpa, and I have been dressed by Faith Peters. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Bathing. Ladies, bathe. Bathe in the morning, bathe in the afternoon, bathe in the evening. You don't expect someone to be sexually aroused by you when you have a bad odor, when you don't bathe, when you don't groom yourself. You need to bathe because during the day you get sweaty, during the night when you sleep you get sweaty. You need to be fresh all the time for yourself and for your man and for your kids as well. So ladies, please bathe. At least 2 to 3 times a day is sufficient. Just imagine foreplay with someone who hasn't bathed. These are things that will put him off and make him not want you. So ladies, let's get bathing. Body odor. Ladies, fragrance is very important. If you are a married lady, you need to smell good all the time. You have to use body fragrances, you have to use perfumes, you have to use deodorants, something that keeps you smelling good and fresh. It is very bad and very disappointing for a man to smell you as if you're smelling like rotten fish. For a man to smell that odor coming from your body like rotten food. You smell like a man who hasn't bathed, who is doing handiwork. Ladies, we really have to smell good. Next is the way we dress. Ladies, dress well all the time. Even if you are a stay-home mom, even if you're working at home, please dress well. Don't put on one wrapper for days, for weeks, without even washing it or changing it, just because you are doing household chores. Dress well, dress sexy, dress for the part. When you are going out with your man, with your husband, dress well. I'm not saying dress indecently. Some women don't understand the difference between dressing indecently and dressing sexy. Do not dress indecently because it will put him off. Just dress well, dress for the part, dress clean clothes, be smart. If something is too big, don't wear it. If something is too small, don't wear it. Just put on fitting clothes, put on clean clothes, put on well ironed clothes. Don't put on torn clothes. Just dress well. Next, ladies, your hair is very important. Look after your hair. You don't have to have a lot of money to have neat, clean, well-groomed, nice-looking hair. If you don't have money for hair, you can use your hands to plait your hair. You can use simple styles. You can comb it. Just comb it and puff it. Always take good care of your hair. Know the type of man you have. If your man doesn't like outrageous colored hair, don't do it. Like I said, know your man and dress the part. Your hair needs to be looking neat, nice and clean all the time. Next is shaving. Ladies, The more you grow those pubic hairs without shaving them, they attract heat and it brings up a bad odor. So ladies, keep your pubic hairs down. Shave. Groom yourself well. Shave your armpits. Even if you have a very good deodorant, don't just use it without shaving. Please shave. Guys like it well groomed and clean. Some pubic hairs even have lice in them if you keep yourself bushy down there. So ladies, be clean, shave. Next is handling knickers. Do you know that some married women have very old panties, as old as 5, 6, 10 years? It has lost color, it has holes, it is out of shape, but you still put it on. Some ladies even display their ugly stained panties there. That panty is out of fashion. Even panties have fashion, ladies. The way you handle yourself with your panties is very important. Don't put on all these very ugly panties full of clothes all the time for your man. Just because you are married doesn't mean your man doesn't have feelings. Remember, men are attracted first to what they see. So if he keeps on seeing you with an old, tattered, ugly panty, what do you expect? Do you expect his feelings to shoot up or to go down? Ladies, let's know how to handle ourselves with the panties, with the knickers. Do not put on your pad morning to evening when you're menstruating. You put on a pad, it starts to smell, but you are not changing it. You are smelling for your husband. Fragrance, body fragrance is very important. Last but not least is presentation. The way you present yourself, ladies. I've seen ladies complaining their men don't want to move with them, their men don't want to associate with them in public. How do you present yourself? How do you look in public? How do you dress in public? How do you speak in public? Are you respectful? Are you the type who is greeting everyone on the road when you are walking with your man? Are you the type who is interrupted by every guy on the road, every person on the road? How do you present yourself? How does your hair look? Are you overly made up? How are your nails, ladies? Some ladies will not stop at anything but have very long, outrageous nails, but have a lot of makeup on their face and lips. Guys don't like it. Guys don't like to move with you when you look like a Jezebel spirit. Presentation is very important, ladies. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82. Instagram is @Iam_Nora. Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. I have been dressed by Faith Peters. And follow her on IG and Facebook. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.